Hello everyone, it's me Chappy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to set a particular volume level for the speaker of iPhone and iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and now just click on this general. Now just click on this software update. So kindly update the iOS version to 18.2 and after that just move back. Now just scroll down below. You will see here one option written sounds and haptics. Just click on it. Now scroll down below again. Now you'll see here one option volume limit. Just click on it. Now just turn it on. Now you will see here by default the maximum limit is set to 60%, so you can set it to 20%, whichever percentage you want to set. And now once you set this maximum limit, then if you increase the volume also, still the volume output that will be coming out from your speaker will be only 20%. And if you want to restore it back, just move back to the same option and just disable this option. Then whenever you maximize the volume, then you will get a very loud sound again. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily set a particular volume level for the speaker of iPhone and iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.